Hello, my name is Brian Koegle, and I'm the founding partner of Koegle Law Group APC. And today I'm happy to be here with my partner, Lucas Rowe, who basically heads up our business litigation, employment litigation, and business counseling departments. So Luke, one of the biggest questions, most frequent questions that we get from business owners is, how do I determine what the best legal structure is for my business enterprise as I continue to move forward and grow and develop my business?
It is a good question, and it's a common question. It just depends on what the business is looking to do, how many people are involved, what kind of business it's going to be, whether you have employees or intend to have employees can all affect what kind of corporate structure you select for your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, if it's just going to be you and nobody else. If you're going to have a partner but you don't want to formalize anything, you can have a partnership. If you want an LLC, there are certain tax liability protections and shelters that you get with that kind of business. An S Corp, a corporation, there are a lot of different options, but each one sort of has its pros and cons depending on the nature of the business and how many people are involved.
What are the key demographics or key differences on why we would suggest an S corporation over a limited liability company?
Well, for me personally, when I discuss this possibility with clients, it really depends on what they want to do. If they're looking to expand rapidly, or even over the next 4 or 5 years and bring on additional partners, it might be best to start as an S Corp from the beginning. So you have a corporate structure, you can issue shares to your new partners, and you can create distributions that are a little bit easier to handle than it would be under an LLC. But one of the biggest implications in selecting your corporate structure to begin with is the tax liability. So it's always a good idea to talk to a CPA while you're talking with an attorney to help you manage, okay, if I select an LLC, these are my tax implications. If I pick an S Corp, this is what I'll be facing. There might be some distinctions there that will be more favorable to you versus another that you'll pick an S Corp over an LLC, for example.
When we're talking about setting up these structures and the questions that are asked, obviously the way that we handle things is a little different than most law firms. We are geared towards becoming the trusted advisor for our clients. We want to have a relationship from the beginning of your business all the way through till when you sell or when you transition or when you decide to close your business. But the most important thing is that we ask questions along the way that are specifically designed to meet your needs so that when we're setting up your enterprise, you are going to get exactly what you ask for, and we're going to make sure that you understand the risks and obligations of maintaining that organization throughout the entire life of your business process.